Good morning, student. Let's continue the chapter The Talkative Barber, page number 101. The last page, page 100, we learned that there was a barber. He was very talkative. So one day the Sultan called him for shave. But instead of shaving, he was talking too much. And when the Sultan told him that you are chatterer, he became very hurt, and he gave introduction of his family, that he had 6 brothers, and he told about his brother. Then let's continue the page number 101. Give him the 3 pieces of gold, the Sultan cried, losing all his patience, and send him away. I will not be shaved today. As he was talking too much, so the Sultan got angry and he told that give him 3 pieces of gold and send him back, because he will not shave him. My master, cried the barber, it was not I who came to seek you, it was you who ordered me to come. Then the barber replied to Sultan that it was not me who came here. You called me here for shave. So I will not go from here till I have shaved you. The barber replied to the Sultan. He then began to narrating another story which lasted half an hour. After that he started narrating other story. I have an affair of the greatest importance. I have to go out at noon, said the Sultan. When he narrated another story, then the Sultan told to the barber that he have some great important work, so he want to go at noon. So please save me fast, the Sultan said to barber. When he saw that the Sultan was really angry with him, the barber said, "O master, do not be angry. I will begin to shave you." Saying this, he washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. When the barber realized that Sultan is really angry, he said to Sultan, "Don't be angry, I will shave you now." But he had not touched him even for time with the razor when he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily in this matter. Go on shaving me, speak no more," ordered the Sultan. Then he didn't touch him 4 times with the razor, and he again started talking with the Sultan. He told that you are acting hastily. Hastily means taking fast decision in this matter. Then the Sultan got angry and he said, "Don't speak, don't say anything, you go on shaving." "Be patient," said the barber. "Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it." When the Sultan told the barber, "Shave me fast," then the barber said to Sultan, "Don't be patient. Don't be patient. Tell me the matter." When the Sultan said that, "Please save me fast, I want to go for some great important." So he was asking to Sultan what was that greatest important matter. "You tell me that matter and I will means the barber will give his opinion to Sultan. Finish shaving at once, the Sultan exclaimed. But instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. Then the Sultan got more angry and he said, "Please shave me fast." But instead of shaving, the barber is left to see the time. He left to see the time. "My patient is exhausted," the Sultan cried. Then the Sultan said, "Now I am very exhausted," means fed up. Now he is fed up. "Be calm, my master, and you shall be shaved in a moment." Then the barber said, "Please be calm, you will be shaved in a moment," said the barber, and saying this he continued shaving the Sultan. But while he was doing this, he could not help talking. "If you could inform me what is important affair is, I would give more advice which you might find useful," he said. Then he started shaving, and again he asked to the Sultan about the important affair. He is asking the Sultan about what the important affair is, and again he is saying, "I will give you the opinion which would be useful to you." The Sultan was completely fed up by now, and he decided to satisfy the barber. He was asking again, so the Sultan got fed up. He told him that he was giving a feast to some friends at noon, which was why he was in hurry to leave. So he told the barber about the important affair. What was the important matter? That he invited some of his friends at noon for feast. That's why he want to go at noon. So he is saying to do the shave fast. When the barber heard the Sultan's mention a feast, he exclaimed, "That reminds me, yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it, and I have not made any preparation for them." When the Sultan told about the important matter affair, that he called some of his friends for feast, that time the barber said, "Oh, I also reminds that I also invited few of my friends for the feast, and I forgot it, and I have not made any preparation for them," said the barber. The Sultan, who was at the mercy of the barber, was ready to do anything to be rid of him. Now Sultan is so much fed up that he was ready to do anything to get rid from him. "Be quick and finish your work," the Sultan replied, "and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today." Then the Sultan said, "Finished your shave, and the food that is prepared for my friend's feast I will give to you, but you shave me fast. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends." Then the barber stopped shaving, and he is asking to Sultan, "Show me the food. Please show me the food." He want to see it is enough for his friend or not. "I have enough food for you," the Sultan exclaimed, but he ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought. Then the Sultan ordered that bring all the food that is prepared for the feast. The barber looked over the food and said, "This is very good, but I shall want some fruit for the dessert also." Then the barber examined all the food, and he said it is enough, but he wants some fruits as a dessert. Dessert means sweet things which we take after the meal. The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruit should be brought in. The Sultan, he was half shaved. He was half shaved, so he ordered for the fruits also. The barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. This took half an hour. Then the barber, he stopped shaving. See in the picture, the Sultan was half shaved and the barber is examining the dishes, and it took the half an hour. The Sultan stamped his feet impatiently, but the barber not hurry. Now Sultan, he is very angry, very fed up, and he stamped his feet. He threw his feet in angry, but then also the barber is not hurry. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work stopped suddenly and cried, I never knew that you were so generous. After examining the food and fruits, he again took the razor to shave the Sultan, but after a few minutes, he again started talking and he said, I never knew that you were so generous. So instead of shaving, again he started talking with the Sultan. So this is the story of the talkative barber. He was not doing his work and he was always busy in talking. All of you understood the story? Thank you.